So hey, Lawn Care Nation, the holidays are upon us and they call this the season of giving. So I thought it would be fun to create a quick little challenge where we as a lawn care community can come together and give our best piece of advice to those looking to start a lawn care company in the coming year. So the challenge is really simple. It's 3 simple steps that I need you to follow. Number 1 is create a short little video here on YouTube where you share your number 1 tip or your best piece of advice for somebody wanting to start a lawn care company. This can be anything about marketing, equipment, whatever you want, so long as it's what you think is your best tip for somebody starting out in that business. Number 2, I want you to utilize YouTube's new searchable hashtag feature. So I want you to include the hashtag lawn care season of giving in your video's description. That way people can put that hashtag in the YouTube search bar and all of the videos in this challenge will all pop up. Number 3, I want you to nominate 3 other people in this community to create similar videos and follow those same steps where they can create those videos, use the hashtag, and nominate others, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I'll start it off. If you're thinking about starting a lawn care business or going into the lawn care industry, my best piece of advice, especially if you have a current full-time job or part-time job that maybe you're not happy with, that maybe you're getting bored with, is don't quit that job to go into lawn care full-time, especially if you have no previous experience in the green industry. You may find over time that lawn care just isn't the right fit for you. I had a listener of my podcast in this exact situation. They had an engineering job that they were getting bored of, that they just weren't feeling fulfilled by doing each and every day, and wanted to go into the lawn care industry. They decided to start their lawn care business as a side hustle, and they did really well with it over the first few months. They were quickly building up their customer base and gaining a lot of work. One problem though, they quickly found that it wasn't the right fit for them, that they didn't enjoy working outdoors and doing that sort of manually intensive type of labor. And they actually said to me that, doing that lawn care as a side hustle actually invigorated their love for their engineering job. And so they decided to shut down the business and just to, continue on with their engineering job. So my best piece of advice then is to start off as a side hustle, especially if you have no previous experience in the green industry. So I'm going to nominate 3 guys to get in on this lawn care season of giving challenge. And the first has to be Kevin from Fall River, because his Get to Know Me challenge a few years ago is what inspired me to do this particular challenge. Number 2 would be Brian Fullerton from Brian's Lawn Maintenance. And number 3 would be Brian Shane from Top Notch Lawn Care. So you've heard my best piece of advice and you've heard my nominees, so now it's their turn. So if you guys follow any of my 3 nominees on social, make sure you tag them and comment or even DM them and let them know about this challenge so it's in their radar, and let's see this lawn care community get together for a lawn care season of giving.